So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Pfizer stock, ticker symbol PFE, here on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right, press on the magnifying glass. At the top search bar here, I want you to press or type in ticker symbol PFE for Pfizer, then press the top one right here. Once you're on Pfizer stock, go to the bottom left and press on the orange trade button and then the green buy button. Once you're here, make sure that buy is selected. You can change your session type. You can also change your order type as well to market and or limit. So for example, market order, if you wanted to buy one share at this moment in time, it's going to cost you $22.72 USD. But this could change no matter when you're trying to buy the stock. But once that is done, press the green buy button right below it and then proceed that way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to buy Pfizer stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.